Hey, hi, Angel here. Thanks for stopping by. I just wanted to give you a quick review of this little Chevy Sonic LTZ that I rented. It's got some good pickup. I don't know if you can get a sense of that, but it does like 0 to 60 in about 3 seconds. It picks up good. Now, I didn't take it up over the 90 range, so I don't know how it does at high speeds, but at the range that I had it at, between taking off, which it does remarkably well, it really has some zip, is what I wanted to say about it. And yeah, it's got a nice dash. It's got it's got the Bluetooth. It's got the good sensors. It gets about 30 miles to the gallon. It's been a good little car for a little economy go-getter. I give it a 4 out of 5 stars. Now, I don't have a star rating system for little economy cars, but I don't know that I'd buy one, but I wouldn't necessarily say don't buy one, at least at this point. I'd say, yeah, it's got good little zip. It's got good economy, good gas mileage. I give it let's see, what do I give it? I give it a 4 out of 5 stars. And that's just because it is an economy car. It's pretty tiny. It's which, I mean, if you want a tiny car, then even better. But anyway, it's well put together. It's kind of shaped like a bullet, and it kind of gets up and goes like a bullet. So yeah, Chevy Sonic. Who knew? I hadn't even heard of one, but until I went to rent myself the cheapest thing I could get, and this is what I ended up with. And when I asked the car rental guy which of the economy cars would get me up the mountain the best, because I told him I was taking it to the ski area, he did not hesitate to say the Chevy was going to had more power than the Nissan Versa. So I didn't drive that Nissan. I don't know how it compares to my foot and hand, but the rental car guys seem real sure of that. And I will say that this little car had no problem eating up its way up the mountain. It really did do remarkably well. I didn't have never a lag in power, never any problem passing anybody. Really gets up and goes. So, yep, I give this Chevy Sonic a 4 out of 5 stars as a vehicle on the whole, and I'd probably give it a 5 out of 5 stars as an economy vehicle, you know. Not that I've driven all that many, but that's where I'm at, so that's what I'll give it. Yep. Have you driven one? Do you have a favorite economy car? Do you have a list of criteria that you would judge one by? I'm curious. Let me know in the comments. And meanwhile, don't forget to stay positive, stay productive, stay playful.